Bobby's fixing to take off. There he goes. Yeah, he's up and away. Awesome. Now it's my turn. Clear, prop. Got her up though. Airborne. Flying again. We are headed back to the sod field. Had a little bit of a lockout on that one. Yeah, but you did all right. You know when you don't do all right. I've had a tip over on every plane I've had. That's affirmative. And it's more embarrassing than anything. I never do it unless I got 10 people watching me. Woo, man, this is great.